You got this Starbucks order for like 8 drinks.
Yeah.
I have a pickup. KM?
And then it's this one as well.
Okay. Thank you. I let go of things no rip. Hello. I just have a drop off. I'm going. It says I don't know for.
Yeah.
Or is it here?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, cool.
Thank you.
Of course. I think I have to take a quick picture. Actually, no, I don't. Oh,
Thank you.
have a good one.